Okay, let's see.
Yeah. I keep on doing this. I can't handle the hunger. Okay. Hi, what's for dinner?
Hello everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making steamed shrimp with garlic sauce.
Yes.
This is a delicious and easy way to prepare shrimp and highly recommend trying this out. To get started, you'll need shrimp, vermicelli bean curd, which is noodles, garlic, ginger, green onion, Hsing cooking wine, chicken flavoring, salt, pepper, soy sauce, oil, and fish sauce. Alright, to get started on the prep, grab 2 green onions and chop it up in half and dice up the top half and save it for the garnish. For the lower half of the green onion, finely chop it up and put it in a separate bowl. Then you're going to need to smash up 10 cloves of garlic and then dice up each one finely. Then you're going to add it with your diced up green onions. For your ginger, slice it into 10 thin slices and then chop it up finely and then add it to your bowl of green onions and garlic, and now let's get started on the sauce. For the sauce, let's add a few twists of pepper, 1 spoon of cooking wine, 1 small spoon of chicken flavoring, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 2 spoons of fish sauce, and 1 small spoon of salt, and let's mix all the ingredients together. Then we're going to heat up about 8 spoons of oil in a pan, and once it's hot, we're going to pour it over our sauce, and then we're going to get started on prepping the shrimp. To prep the shrimp, first we're going to use the scissors and cut off the front antenna of the shrimp and the legs as well. Then we're going to use a toothpick to take out the poop sac by poking it through the top of the spine of the shrimp and then slowly pulling out the sac and then discarding it. Alright, once we're done pulling out all the poop sacs from the shrimp, we're going to show you 3 ways on how to prep the shrimp here. First, we're going to use a scissor to cut through the middle of the shrimp and leave the tail whole. Another way is to use a large cleaver to cut it down through the middle. And the third way is to place it down flat and slice it through the middle with a smaller knife. Alright, now once you prepped all the shrimp, let's give it one quick rinse and we're ready to plate up for the steaming. First, let's grab a plate and then put our vermicelli noodles on there, which we rehydrated in warm water for at least 30 minutes, and we're going to use that as our base. The noodles will soak up all the juices and flavor and will be super delicious after. Then afterwards, we're going to grab our shrimp and place it in a cool pattern like this. Alright, once done, we're going to add in our sauce on each side and we're ready to steam. To steam, we're just going to grab our wok and add some water and a rack to it and bring the water to a boil. Once it's at a boil, slowly place the plate of the shrimp in there and cover it up and let it cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's been at least 3 to 4 minutes, carefully take out the plate and place it on the side. Then we're gonna heat up some oil again and then add the heated oil over it and it's done. Sprinkle over your green onions and it's ready to serve. I hope you all enjoy. Let's eat.
Yeah.
I keep on doing this. I can't handle the hunger.
Okay.
Hey, what's in there?
Oh, hey.
Oh, nice.
Some food.
Hey,
Some shrimp. Delicious. Thank you. Yummy.
Wow. It's so sweet. It's good. Delicious.
Oh, I love shrimp. I love the way it's decorated.
Yeah, looks like a big old titan spine, huh?
Yeah.
Interesting. And the sauce is so good. How do you feel now? You feel better?
Better.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah?
Yeah. You're not you when you're hungry.
Alright, okay.
That's not copyrighted.
Yeah.